In this video, I want to explore the inspector, console, debugger, and network developer tools. I'm using Firefox, but these should be available in most major browsers. So the first thing is the console. The console allows you to do two major things. The first is evaluate code right in the console, and the second is to see logged messages. For example, if I just wanted to evaluate this, I could do it like so. And as we can already see, any JavaScript that was logged in the JavaScript files when this web page ran were logged to the console. Next is the inspector. The inspector lets you view all of the HTML and CSS on this page. It also allows you to select individual elements. For example, I'm going to select this code block, and when we select it, it's opened up in the inspector. To the right, we can see the CSS rules, layout, fonts, and other properties. Next is the debugger. The debugger lets you debug your code line by line. So I have a very simple file here, and this might not seem very useful now, but when you get more complicated files and you want to debug to things, it's really helpful. And finally, the network tab. This shows you all the resources that the web page is requesting. If we just take a look at this, we can see multiple CSS, JS files, font files, a PNG, and some other things. Using these developer tools, it's easier to understand what your code is doing.